Because one thing they can't beat us with that I think so far is the energy that we have. I think even in the voice, because if you listen to someone like African, that kind of voice,
they don't have that.
You know, they don't have that. Tony Mix's actual voice,
of course, Tony Mix,
not just his presence, whatever, but his actual voice, the way we use voice, or even someone like Freshla, who does a more singing version, but the way it's a voice that the voice itself commands you to move on top of the music.
True.
And then of course, the only difficulty might be that Rabòday is very based on slogans and call and response. It's interactive.
And I think this is a weakness.
Yeah, because you have to already know it to
enjoy the song.
Enjoy it.
Yeah.
So they would have to format it
because
as
when you say wow, we know what. Okay, if I don't know, okay, wait, okay, Pedre, okay, wait, what should I say?
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's one aspect they can look at. But as far as like the musical elements, keep the concept of the solo, the solos on the songs, all that stuff. Because even Bouyon, you see them having
just solo now.
Solos and their stuff.
Yeah.
So it's not. I wouldn't say that Bouyon will take over. I think if Rabòday doesn't have like a Rabòday meeting amongst themselves, then yes, it will. But it's not too late.
I think they should definitely emulate a lot of Bouyon strategies, Bouyon artist strategies.
If and when, or hopefully when, we do it. This is my own observation. I don't know if other people will agree when they see this, but it really has to be a collective. It has
to be collective.
I don't know if you know like the music of St. Lucia called Dennery segment. So around 2017, 2018, Dennery segment took a very big presence in soca, but particularly because of an artist and producer named Moto. So when you hear Dennery segment, you hear Moto. Unlike when you hear Bouyon now, you don't just hear one person.
Yeah.
You see Little Boy, you see Trilla-G, you see Signal Band, you see Rio, Ridge, so many. And that's how we would have to do it. It can't be just one person. We would have to come, because I think that's a difference between like, when I look at, okay, how come, Bouyon got this kind of presence, but Dennery did not. It did it for an amount of time, but not like this.
Yeah.
And it's because one is associated with just one
person,
primarily. And he featured with other people, but Bouyon is like, you can listen to an entirely different artist than who I like, even just in regular conversation before you get deep into it.
Yeah.
And so when we export Rabòday the way we need to, it can't just be X person or Y person.
Justement,